EMS Consulting Group has been helping companies transform their businesses for over 20 years. We are often asked what is the best way to implement Lean. In this video, we will describe our roadmap and model for Lean transformation. Let's begin by defining what Lean actually means. By using our Toyota Production System house diagram. At the top of the house are our true north ideals. We want to provide the highest quality products and services at the lowest cost with the fastest delivery while maintaining the safest work environment with high employee morale and engagement. Supporting these true north ideals are two pillars, just-in-time and quality at the source. These two pillars represent the ideal state of providing our next downstream customer with a defect-free product or service, when it is needed, and in the right quantity. At the base of the TPS house is operational stability, which means that we have developed consistency in our processes, methods, and output. And at the center is a Lean culture, which is a culture of continuous improvement and respect for people. Our model for Lean transformation includes 4 levels. The first level is strategic in nature. Strategy deployment is about identifying the top breakthrough goals and initiatives and the key performance indicators needed to achieve success. It also includes alignment of the goals, initiatives, and metrics at all levels of the organization through a consensus building process to ensure buy-in. The next level is value stream mapping and management. This involves identifying our core product or services lines and then analyzing them to determine our biggest improvement opportunities. The bottom 2 items are where the magic happens. Utilizing our problem-solving process and engaging all of our employees, we work to make improvements happen. Kaizen events or rapid improvement events can be used to achieve rapid change. More importantly, on an ongoing basis, we need a constant drumbeat of improvement through daily Kaizen. The improvement and coaching kata, aka Toyota Kata, is our methodology of choice to make this happen. All of these elements are tied together with a Lean daily management system. This model ensures full engagement and focus on the right things. Our goal is to help you implement this model, build the internal capability to sustain it, and turn the entire culture into a culture of problem solvers. In order to do this, we offer 3 major means of support, and we offer these in different modes. First, we offer assessment and executive engagement through strategy deployment. Next, we offer training. Our training is intended for participants to learn and practice the key concepts and tools of Lean. We customize the training to suit the client. Healthcare clients' training would be different from an aerospace company, for example. Third, we offer coaching and facilitation. We facilitate events such as value stream mapping workshops and Kaizen workshops with the goal of training key people in your organization to do this after we model the process. We also do the same with coaching. We can coach individuals at each level of the organization through the problem-solving process with the goal of turning them into coaches, so that the problem-solving culture can be spread organically. At EMS Consulting Group, building our clients' capability has always been our focus. We provide our clients with customized Lean training, coaching, and facilitation support while helping them build the continuous improvement culture necessary. Over the years, we have made learning less expensive and more flexible through our e-learning and virtual options while still maintaining our on-site capabilities. Contact us today at emsstrategies.com to learn more.